Wala kang babayaran for dinner kasi kasama siya sa hotel stay niyo. Hi guys, Samantha here. For today's video, at samahan niyo ako to have some dinner. If you're staying at Sheraton Manila, baka hindi mo alam na may ganito pala silang exclusive perk. They offer complimentary dinner. May shawarma, may rice, with grilled chicken on top. Meron din silang pasta, buttered fish, different kinds of vegetables. Kung ayaw mo mag-heavy meal, pastries, fruits, cheese, and marami pang iba. So yun guys, you can all have this during their evening cocktails. For beverages, may juices, sodas, and for adults, may variety of wines. What I also love is hindi lang masarap yung mga foods, but the whole experience. Sheraton Club Lounge is included if you book a club room or a suite with Sheraton Club access, and honestly, super worth it. Another reason why I think this is worth it is because hindi lang one-time visit ang lounge. Habang open ang Sheraton Club Lounge, pwede kang bumalik kung gusto mong magkape, mag-relax for breakfast, afternoon snack, or bumalik ulit sa evening cocktails. And kung iisipin mo ha, malaking convenience siya. Instead na lumabas pa para maghanap ng kakainan or bumili ng coffee, nandito na halos lahat ng kailangan mo. Ramdam mo talaga na you're really on a vacation. So after dinner, puntahan naman natin yung kanilang lobby. Ito nga pala ang kanilang iconic grand staircase. Very elegant and luxurious, pang Instagrammable. And ito naman ang kanilang lobby. The lobby itself is stunning, high ceiling, and world-class naman talaga. And dahil happy tummy na tayo, bumalik na nga kami sa room. At dahil may jetted tub yung suite room natin, pwede ka rin mag-chillax dito and ma-enjoy ang night view. You can watch the full video on my YouTube channel, Samantha DC. Don't forget to use my Klook promo code, Samantha DC Klook, for promos and discounts. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Alat G! See ya!